Well, yeah, get off of it. Go easy. Really?
Two fat guys on a boat, ain't got a care. Salt in the air, wind in our hair. The ocean's a friend, she don't ask for much. Just the sun and the waves and a gentle touch. Two old fat guys sailing, nowhere to be, living off the rhythm of the endless sea. No woman to cloud my mind, no ties to bind. Two old fat guys sailing, just wasting time. The fridge is full of beer, the map's just a prop. We chase the horizon, no plans to stop. Our bellies may jiggle, our laughs roll wide, but freedom feels good when you're with the tide. Two old fat guys sailing, nowhere to be, living off the rhythm of the endless sea. No woman to cloud my mind, no ties to bind. Two old fat guys sailing, just wasting time. No alarms, no shoes, no deadlines, no blues. Just the sun and the stars and the life we choose, with the sea as our mistress, she never complains. Two old fat guys sailing through sunny domains. Two old fat guys sailing, nowhere to be, living off the rhythm of the endless sea. No woman to cloud my mind, no ties to bind. Two old fat guys sailing, just wasting time.
Yeah, unfortunately, I've had to come back to Southern Pines and get my heart checked out. I know some of y'all are wondering where I've been at for the past few weeks. Well, I've had some health issues. Damn it! I guess one of them was forgetting how to talk. But anyway, stay tuned. I've got a big project going on. Let me show you what that is. So what you see here is I am making the hard Dodger. I've actually built a replica of the cabin top, and we'll go through that some in the next video. And I'm actually building some other things as well. So just want to let you know that I haven't forgot. And we'll be having a full video up next week, starting the beginning. But this is going to be a big project that's going to take a month or two that we'll be going step by step on. So hang in there with me, and this should be interesting because I'm making it up as I go.